For enhanced usability and a streamlined process, you can now integrate Career.Place with your JazzHR applicant tracking system. To get started, you'll need accounts with both Career.Place and JazzHR, and you'll also need organizational admin permissions for both systems. To link your accounts, begin in your Career.Place account. Click on Organization Settings, click on Integrations, and then scroll down until you see JazzHR. Highlight and copy the API key, and then we'll move into the JazzHR system. In your JazzHR account, click Settings, then click Integrations, and scroll down until you see Career.Place. Click More Details, click Connect, and paste your API token or API key. Click Save Credentials, and your credentials have been saved and your integration is complete.